Oh, that's hot. That's hot.
All right, welcome back to another episode of Wild True Learn. Looks like we're on our final stretch here. Bunch of emails. We got a new module. While in training mode, the perception reduces the amount of errors trying to predict the ship of the elements. Okay. We also have a gradient descent. Increase error, reducing speed. Gentlemen. Gentlemen in the game have a small error fix. Okay. We have the same thing with color. So we have this to reduce the speed because every guy is given a error value. Maybe we could take this guy out. Cool. Got some balancer. So we have a way to separate all the colors. Awesome. So we need 50, 50, 50. If I give this all red, that wouldn't work. If I give this all red, it would work. We would have 50%, which is completely fine. Gotta do that for 25 seconds. This is green and blue and green and blue. If I only gave this green 60%, that is 20 versus 10, that's 50. That won't work. If I gave this green 20, so this guy could take all green, no problem. Here we have to adjust appropriately. Need this to be pretty accurate. We can split up green. Well, no, that's gonna be perfect. Let's just confirm that these numbers work. These ones should be fine. So it has to be a certain amount for a certain amount of time. So it has to be 50% for a couple seconds. So this is gonna be circle, circle. If we really wanted it, we'd go like that. Red circles are taken care of. Red triangles go there. Now with green, we could do this with 4, but I'm just doing it like this. Train this guy. Pure reds can go here. That's gonna be 100% accurate. Greens has to be separated into 2 main components, which is all blues can go up there. That won't be a problem. So these two would be 100%. Now this would just need correct shape. What if I just split this up and this would work, right? Yeah, we win. Cool. What I'm learning is as soon as we hit the threshold of like 80% or whatever the accuracy might be, we just gotta hold that for 10 seconds. So I threw red, circle, and triangle right there. So it's gonna be 100. And we just have to wait for 10 seconds. So the fastest way we can get there, the most accurate way we can get there. I don't have to worry about green at all. You can see it's not even connected. So this works no problem. So boom, and we just hold it. Yeah, and green was just getting bombarded. So that works out no problem. It's however we get to the accuracy the fastest and just hold it. Okay, what are we looking at? If we get triangles, it would work. So let's start off by being accurate. So let's pull that trains up. So these are low percentages, right? Top and bottom are low percentages. So all I gotta do is throw a couple in there and not worry about it too much. It's these guys that have to be pretty accurate. So let's split these up. All right. This would be 50%. If I sent only blues here, that's 50%. Would be fine. Or greens, that'd be fine. If I send greens here, we win. If I send blues here, we win. If we send reds there, we win. Here. send reds there. Well, we need this to win, so we can send greens there. That is more than enough. And ooh, this blue one needs help. So let's switch these out. So this blue one perfectly fits there. This blue one perfectly fits there. It should work fine. Sweet. I didn't have to use any separators. So I'm playing by percentages. So I noticed that these two are the ones that we have most wiggle room because it's 40%. So I threw in red here. Red going into this node. We need at least circle and triangle here. And I noticed that if I throw all of these guys in, it will be above that 40%, right? Because these are equal distribution. So that means it's going to be 60% accurate, which is exactly what we need, above that by 20%. And I supplement that with green. And the same idea here is just needs these two bottom ones, which is 30 comparatively to 15, which is 50%. So it'll be above that. Didn't do anything with that, which is interesting, but that's kind of like an idea. We didn't need any red, honestly. So I release that. Deep neural nets. We got some hidden layers, your input and your output. First and foremost, let's go train this guy up. Cool. And we can bucket these guys, no problem. Should be pretty good. Oh, we need a couple of these nodes. I see. So this isn't accurate enough. So if we just did something like that, will it make it to 97%? No. What if we use two of these guys in series? So 9 times 9 is 4.5%. That gets bombarded. So we're allowed to use 3. It still doesn't work. Let's try that. Oh, that shot of green. That's a bit annoying. I mean, we can solve it with this. This should work. Cool. I need 17, so I need all of those guys to come in. 2, that's 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 17. So we need all of these guys to come in. So we're doing double training here. We need this really accurate. Okay. Keep that guy there. We have to predict the shape. This accurate. Throw all of them in there, should be fine. So we need you and you to only shoot out. We can't do it in 2 nodes only. Interesting. Kind of like that. which is 1 off. Can I just supplement it with a triangle? Now the accuracy stops. Brum, 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 brum. This would guarantee it. This would make it 100%. No. Or we loop these guys back to the front. Nice. Major Tom. No money. What are we looking at? We need quants. So I need all the circles to be up there. Oh, that's gonna be a bit annoying. Does it come bombarded? Ooh, it does. Only need 3. Blue circles. Go here. We'll try this new node, see if that works. Should work. Just time is not an issue. So that's too slow. I do like the balancer being here. We're allowed to use a couple more nodes. So I definitely need blue and circle. Compares the color. Need all circles to be up there, which is crazy. Why do you do it? But not with 3. It's guaranteed. Circle. This guarantee is blue. Gotta switch it up a bit. Color decision comes always first because it's shorter. Then you do it. Decision tree. That works. The rest goes into the balancer. Should be fast enough. Yeah. No money for that. See what we got in the store. Sure. We got increased data speed by 10%, increased nodes, sour engine. 6 times 3 is 18, so all of those squares go up here. Six, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 30. Does it have to be that accurate? So 6 times 6. We have a total of 6 times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 12. 6 times 12. We have 72 possible nodes. No garbage. So this has to be accurate. 72. Let's go by color first. Isolate greens. Pure reds can go there. So all triangles can go there. So we just need 10. Let's take a look at our limiter. This is our limiter. We just need 10. So I'm pretty confident we can steal all of the circles from above. And that's more than enough to cover for that. So we don't need to worry about this anymore. This gives me green triangles, red and green triangles, and a whole bunch of other stuff. So this gives me red triangles, can be split between these two equally. So red triangles are done. This gives me red triangles. Let's just talk about red and green triangles can only go down there. This gives me only green triangles. Alright. Squares. Red squares can go there. Green triangles can go there. See where we're at right here. Sure. You do this in 2 nodes? Wow. Maybe I'm overcomplicating things. Maybe I am. I mean, all circles go down there, all triangles go down there, all squares go down there. Oh. All circles go down there, all triangles go down there. I need one more node. All squares go up there. I see this path. Yeah. We didn't need to look at colors for that. Where is our error? Train you. It should be pretty quick. It's only 60% for 10 seconds. Train our shape module. Cool. Shape first, color first because it's faster. Oh. Oh. If we just did that. This will make it. Let's try this. What does that make it? doesn't hit that percentage that we need. Interesting. Does this work? And then the rest are trash. Should be fine. Yeah, we're good. Okay, we gotta train this guy for sure. I mean, we need 100. If we just input this minus triangles, we get 60, 70, 80, 60 plus 30. Let's just train these guys up. So what I'm thinking here, gotta explain it. So what I'm thinking here is I can just throw this adds up to the quantity of 60, right? This adds up to the quantity of 60, so I need 40 more. If I throw in all of those greens in there from here, right? I get all these greens in here. This gives me 30 and then 15% error. But I think we'll be able to get away with that because of this error. So we throw all of this into here, minus triangle. All right, that gives us quantity of 60 with 100% accuracy. And we try throwing all green in there. And we can try that. If I throw all green in there, we'll be more accurate as well too. Let's run that. No accuracy. Definitely use... Oh, why am I throwing blue in there? What if I did this? Put all of our triangles into here. Now we want to filter for these two to be accurate. So that increases that accuracy. We gotta make sure only greens get in here. So let's fix up this accuracy. And we should just test on that. So let's fix up the accuracy. Now it's gonna be an effort of if the quantity is enough. We can bring this in here. This should finish it. Maybe this needs a combo of them, both of these. Kind of like this. Come on, hit the quota. Should be good. I ran out of time. Kidding me. Why is this slow? Maybe we could split this up to go a little faster. Cool. Let's go for gold. Pay off with the sustained and turning for science sake. Meow meow meow. E. R and N. So we got an RNN layer. So nodes are divided into two types: base nodes and memory nodes. Whoa. This node tries to calculate the next element by using the previous selection. Our nodes can be connected with each other. Ooh. Can we just train these two? This is interesting. I mean, that should be enough. Deep punishing gradients. Alright, you're training. See how this works? It's a large quantity, so I don't think I'm gonna hit the threshold of 70. So that means is we have to introduce another buddy. Cool. We have ARMA. Random memory access. This node predicts the continuation of sequence. Okay. Interesting. Something like that. Cool. Video game reviews. It's fun. Ooh. Let's train that guy. Let's run that guy. I ran out of time. Add one more node. Make it more accurate. Is it faster though? I mean, this just increases accuracy, but not speed. In that case, if speed is what we're talking about, why don't we do something like that? We don't need to distribute. My limiter should be... we release that. Oh, we need another gold. How can we make this gold? Well, I have an idea. I have a big idea. What if... Hear me out. We do blue, green, and we do red, green. What if we did something like that? All right. Why is red so slow? Red only needs 50%. What if we did that? This Simpa stream is a lot larger. This guy's a lot larger. This guy's, we have so much more data that we have to chug through here. How can I help with this data? I'll have a splitter. No. Something like that. This only has green and blue. So I don't have to worry about this because it's always green and blue. This is all colors. How can I get... Like, how can I get this faster? Can I just throw out that? Cool. We need more gold. Oh, there we go. Looks like we're gonna need a couple of these. Start off with 3. That's not gonna be enough. See how 4 works? Cool. Nice, we got gold almost there. Meow. 91. Alas, I'm allowed to speak freely. Will you do me a favor and avoid buying that chicken pate? Otherwise, I'll be forced to take act of humiliation on beloved home footwear. Since the dawn of times, our kind was honored and respected by humans. Since the dawn of time, our kind was respected by humans, but dark ages came and people forgot their true allies. Now, we're together again, but do not understand each other. We've been trying to establish contact, use sounds, paddle minds. We've been even recording tutorial videos. And after centuries of effort, planets, shiny marbles on the dark blanket of the nocturnal sky, we always wanted to poke with a paw to see if they're fuzzy. For an unknown reason, humans have also been showing interest in planets. Not sure why, but now our dreams are finally in line. Our possibilities combined are infinite. We won. Cool. Sweet. So we completed the game. Got quite a bit of gold trophies or gold awards. Not all of them though. Some of them were more difficult than others. Other needed upgrades, but it's a pretty fun game. Good puzzle game, good learning game. Yeah. Oh, the credits roll out here. Okay. Looks like it's the team. Pretty cool. The main developers. We got some testers, glorious testers, a bunch of testers. A special thanks. Look at the cat. Look at the cat. I think the best part of the game was the cat. Look at the cat going to space. These are pre-alpha owners. We could speed it up some. A lot of testers, a lot of pre-purchases too. Developed with love. Cool. So we completed the game with 100% recognition. A couple of bronze, silvers. But the early game was a lot of great golds. Let's finish it off by buying everything that we can. Hardware wise, I think we finished it, right? Yeah. And approximate error calculator. Buy all of that. And for encouragement, increases aim in games. Sure. We gotta buy the big statue for 400. Did we buy everything? We can buy all the cats. Oh well. That concludes our game. I had pretty much a lot of fun with this. If you guys do enjoy these series, make sure you leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next series. See ya.
Oh, that's hot. That's hot.